They tried to send me to Badham preschool. So, show them what we're worth, right? This is the actual game pig build. This is literally designed so I can get pressure. Alright, there we go. That's one smack on the head. We're gonna go ahead and look for more people. I heard someone. Okay, this might give me away, but we're gonna go ahead and kick this. Okay, where can we find people's at? It's no surprise, everybody, I'm here. Okay, let's go ahead and play this 3-laner. Got her! And she's down for the count. Hit him with that mind game. Wah! Squaw! Unless they find Ruin, this is gonna really mess with their gen progress early game. This has also been twice that people have been trying to send me to map offerings like all night. I've had an Eyrie of Pros, Pied Piper. Nice try, Buckaroo. Where are you at? Come on, let's go. Okay, cool. He read that mind game pretty well. Let's go after him. Yeah, like I said, they've just been giving up all night. They don't want to go against it. He read that mind game. But I am not after him. Right? We had moved this way. And then we moved back. I'm not after you, I'm after the Laurel. Okay, well, that was supposed to be a hit. Remind me to do this. There we go. See, that ought to whip you in shape, you old whippersnapper. Where the hell did she go? Not even I can understand where she went. What? Oh, she went this way. Whoopsie. We lost her. Okay, let's go here before Tinker runs out. Yoink! Get off that gen. I get that Pig has undetectable, but we use this as kind of a bit of slowdown. Well, not a bit of slowdown, but we use it because her thing will slow her down by a bit. Hey, you. Howdy doody. Now, 2 people are on hook, and everybody's busy. So many people gonna die tonight. They're trying to get that generator fixed, but I'm not gonna let them do that. Actually, in fact, it'd probably be a lot more better if I just, like, walked over there. Yeah. I have a bone to pick with you. Oh, you have Lithe. Okay, well. Bruh. Okay, come on. Let's get you. Getcha, getcha, getcha! Yeah, you don't know how many survivors I've seen DC against this. It's unbelievable. I don't know what it is, but they get so overwhelmed with early game gen pressure that it's like... I don't know, it messes with them a little bit. It's really, really weird. Let's go ahead and get up here. Also, if I haven't been talking much, it's because, I'm... oopsie whoopsie, I might have stayed up all night. Here we go. Playing some doobie-doo, like a no-life. Okay, we're not over here. Which means we're probably back here. No? Where art thou could you be? And then this is what happens too. They get ultimately stealthy. They won't let you do anything with them. So what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna have to go back. Let's see. And that is what Floods of Rage is for. Because if they want to be stealthy, I can be stealthy too. In fact, I can be really stealthy if they want me to. Hello, friend. Come on. You're a pretty good looper. Show me how well you loop. Not quite well, it seems. I don't think he'd expect me to not respect that. But I didn't respect it. Because, man, I don't like that. Also, someone's still in the back here. I just saw that crow come back. So they're probably moving this way. And then watch this. We go back. I called it. I fucking called it. Hey, ma'am. I absolutely called it. I knew it. For certain. I literally knew it, too. Hey, guy. No, we're not friendly. I may be a pig, but I am not a boop-de-snoot pig. I am a... I did your mother kind of pig. That kind of pig. You should not touch me because I am a filthy, dirty pig. Family Guy bit. Please don't be me, children. Actually, go get an education. Are we up here? So, you're doing the gen rather than saving your teammates. Quite interesting. Okay. I don't think you belong in this MMR, ma'am. Yeah, I don't think she belongs in this MMR. She seems newer. Let's give her Hatch. But what if she's the one that tried to bring us to Pied Piper? You ain't going nowhere. Game, set, match. DJSleezy Nuts wins! With the let's play a game pig! Yeah! Hatch was like right here too. Let's get that for points. Yay! And that is that for the let's play a game pig. All night. I don't know what it is. Yeah, she did try to bring us to Badham. Ha! Ha! Of all things! Of all fucking things! Ha! Of all things, too. That's amazing. Yeah, this is the build down here if you want to use it. I've had people, I don't know why, DCing all night to this. I've also had people, like, I don't know, they've just been fucking quitting on me. Enjoy this small little video, and I'll see you guys later.